It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I just thought I'd bring you out for a little walk where I bring Macen. This is about quarter of an hour walking speed, my speed, from my house, and it's a lake, and I've seen a swan on here, but I don't think it lives on this lake, pond, whatever you want to call it, but there are ducks that do live on it. This is kept as a fishing pool, and as you can see by the standpoints, you can come here and fish if you're a member of their club, and they keep it stocked up and maintain it. So I thought I'd just show you a bit of where I bring Macen. Macen's watching the ducks, and it isn't very windy, but the breeze is around. But it's too windy, I think, for the camera for footage, so I'll say bye!
It's a perfect